Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. It's nice to meet you. And of course, if you're back from another video that I posted, then welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Alright, so today's video is this makeup look right here. And to be quite frank, I am very proud of myself because this video is a makeup challenge video. The challenge is using your non-dominant hand to put on makeup. I feel like I can walk out like this, walk out in public, and still, you know, people will think I just did my makeup like a normal person, you know what I mean? So this whole makeup, alright, was used using my non-dominant hand, my left hand. So if you want to know if I really did use my left hand for the entire makeup, then without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright, we have our hair pulled up and back, and that's all good. And lately I feel like I've been doing a lot of challenges these days, so I hope you guys really do enjoy that. If you do, remember to click that like button down below, and I'll do more challenges for you guys. Okay, so here's the thing, you guys. Let's start off with our brows. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia brow. What is this called? Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel. And we're just gonna brush our brows real quick. Oh, gotta use my left hand. I almost forgot. Alright. So, here we go. Let me first brush out my hair with a spoolie. So, taking a spoolie. The thing is, you guys, I mean, when I eat and when I write, I am right-handed. But everything else, when it comes to like throwing a ball, you know, playing sports or whatever, I'm all left-handed. So I'm guessing this won't be too difficult for me. Alright, the brows doesn't look too bad, I feel like. I mean, they can be better. I'm going to kind of clean them up using a small Q-tip. And just kind of clean up the edges. Still using my left hand. Now I'm diving in with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And applying that on the top of my eyelid. And on the bottom of my eyelid. And blending that all out using my fingers. Alright, so that's good. Now we dive into the eyeshadow, and we're gonna take it back and use an eyeshadow palette I haven't used in quite a while. So let's dive into our Pure Cosmetic Nude Collection palette. Now, I don't know the names of these, like, shadows. It doesn't have it on the palette, but, I mean, I guess I'll, tell you as I go along. Alright, so I'm picking up the lightest shade in the palette, and we're just gonna place that all over. Ooh, look at this. That's a lot of powder. Alright. We need to dust that off a little bit, so, oh yeah. Alright. And of course, place the same shadow on the other eye. Kind of use my fingers to blend that out. Alright, no worries there. Alright, so that's good. Now I'm going to dive into a crease color using that color right there. And putting that on my, well, not so much my crease, but my eye socket. So yeah, there was like a point in time where my right hand was actually in a cast when I was in college because of a freak accident. And so I was forced to use my left hand for a lot of this stuff. And, I mean, when it came to playing sports or whatever, I was fine. But when it came to writing, I was not fine. So they had a scribe assigned to me. for certain classes. So, but I mean, for the most part, you know, it wasn't too difficult just because it's not like I don't ever use my left hand. I do use it on a daily basis. So comment down below if you guys are like, I guess in a way I'm kind of ambidextrous, you know? And if you are, let me know down below, you know? Alright, so does that mean I use like both sides of my brains equally? I don't know. Alright, so we have the crease or eye socket color down on our lids. Now we're going to go in using a tiny bit of a darker shade. Or maybe a real dark shade. We're going in with that color right there. And just sweeping that lightly on the outer third of our eyes. This palette kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay Naked palette. Alright, so now taking my fingers with this color right here, sweep that on the inner 2/3 of our eyes. And just to make it a little bit more intense, we're going to go back in with that darkest color we used earlier and just intensify the look just a little bit more. Alright, now here comes the challenging part, the eyeliner. Using my Kat Von D eyeliner, we're going to line our eyes. Alright, left hand, here we go. I feel like I got my eyeliner down pretty nicely considering I'm using my left hand. And so I'm going to fill in the rest of the blank void space using my Candy Johnson and Too Faced collab eyeliner. Oops. Made a little boo-boo. We'll fix it later. Alright, so doing my right eye was a little bit difficult. You guys can tell I made a couple of mistakes, but we're gonna clean that up a little bit later. For the rest of my eyes, I'm just gonna use a black eyeshadow from the same palette and just kind of fill it in using that. I feel like that might be a little bit more easier. Alright, so now let's clean up the mess that I made. Again, using a small Q-tip and just kind of cleaning up that mess. And you can actually go back in with the concealer and really sharpen up that look. Clean up any mistake. Using a brush is probably better, but whatever. Alright, so now let's do our eyes by curling them and put on some mascara. And I'm using the Clinque Mascara. Alright, I'm going to go in and attempt to put on falsies, but if it's too difficult, I'm just going to use my right hand. but we'll try and put it on with our left hand because this is a non-dominant hand challenge. Technically, I mean, because I do use both hands, does this challenge even apply to me? I have no idea. Alright, so taking my falsie, and we're just going to put some lash glue. Amazing. I put on false lashes with my left hand. I mean, it's not on perfectly, but it's on. And, oh, so proud of myself. Give myself a little pat on the back. Now let's see if I can do it on the other eye. Ooh, that was intense. I'm not gonna lie. That was intense. Alright, got my second lash on the... Dab on some lash glue. Dry a little bit. Alright, here we go. Here we go. You guys, I put on false lashes with my left hand, and they look like I did a pretty damn good job. I am so proud of myself. I mean, look, left hand. Oh, left hand, guys. I mean, I guess it's not nothing to be too proud of because I do use my left hand here and there, but I consider my left hand my non-dominant hand only because I eat and write with my right hand. Moving on to our face. Now, let's go in, and I'm not going to prime my face. I'm just going to jump right into foundation because the moisturizer I used, it does act as a primer, I feel like. So, no primer needed there. Now, we're going to go in with our L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow. Give us that nice glow. And I'm taking Kristen Dominique's Ideal by putting on my foundation on anything I can find. So, just placing it on the top of a Clinique Moisture Surge. And we're just going to use that. That way I don't have to like put it on the back of my hand. And just dab that all over my face. And then taking my big brush that's broken but still works. You guys, I might just go to work like this. I was planning on like doing this non-dominant hand challenge and then, you know, taking this makeup off and washing it off. But, you know, I feel like this look is kind of, honestly, wearable. So, alright, so the foundation is on. We're going to go in and kind of highlight and conceal certain parts of our face. Alright, so let's just go ahead and do that. Down the nose, on our forehead, chin, definitely under the eyes. Make these tired eyes look wide awake and fresh. Now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Botanic Dreams. And I'm going to use this more as like a highlight slash blush color. So like a little combination of two. And then finishing the look off with this lip gloss by Beauty Benefits. That sweet, sweet candy smell. And of course, if you want, set your face with some setting spray. And I'll be going in with this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I mean, it's not so much of a setting spray, but I mean, you can use it afterwards, so. Ooh. I feel like I never look, you know, elegant when I'm spraying my setting spray, but whatever. Alright, so, and that's it, you guys. That is pretty much it for the video. I mean, I feel like I did a really nice job, considering I used my left hand. I mean, yes, I'm not like 100% like, only right-handed, but I do use my left hand, like I said in the video, from time to time. But when I put my makeup on, I'm more right-handed. Yeah, left hand's more like it's like my active hand, my sports hand. I don't know if you want to call it that, but when I throw a football or, you know, swing a bat, I use my left hand. I'm more left-handed, all right? So this is my non-dominant hand makeup challenge, and, you know, if you're down for the challenge, I challenge you to do this challenge yourself. Do your makeup using your non-dominant hand and see if you can, you know, create a decent looking makeup look, which I think I did a pretty decent job. With this makeup look. So yeah, so I challenge you. I tag anyone and everyone who watches my video, and alright guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please click that like button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe and become part of the KWAK family. And that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, so I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!